Track 18, Speaking Part 2, Worksheet 2. Now, I'd like each of you to talk on your own about something. I'm going to give each of you a photograph, and I'd like you to talk about it. A. Here is your photograph. It shows some people on holiday. B. You just listen. A. Please tell us what you can see in the photograph. Track 19, Speaking Part 2, Worksheet 2. B. Here is your photograph. It shows people arriving somewhere. A. You just listen. B. Please tell us what you can see in the photograph.